Hi. In this video, we will quickly tell you about CallRail for attorneys. Make the case for better marketing. The stakes are high for legal marketers. Competition is stiff. Ads are expensive. And the right leads can transform firms. To succeed, you have to spend smarter and know which marketing matters. Get visibility into your calls, conversions, and conversations. How can CallRail help me spend smarter and compete better? With CallRail's visitor-level tracking, you'll unlock insights on your PPC ad campaigns and get a detailed history of each client's path to finding and contacting your business. You can use these insights to optimize your website or adjust the keywords you're bidding on to gain a competitive edge. What kind of tools can I use to track my ad spend? Our cost per lead reports helps you identify the marketing channels and PPC keywords that convert your best clients. No matter how a client contacts your firm, whether by calling, texting, or filling out a form on your website, we'll show you which campaigns generate the best leads so you can adjust your ad spend accordingly. Connect phone and web leads to your marketing. Add form tracking to call tracking and open up insights into all your lead activity. Try it free to find out which marketing works, online and off. While call tracking shows which ad or keyword made someone call, form tracking reveals which made them click submit on a form. Together, they illuminate all your lead activity. And with these combined insights, you'll market and spend smarter. Form tracking also alerts you when high-value leads show interest and help you close them. Add Lead Center to unlock the complete CallRail platform. With Lead Center, you can sell, text, and chat from one easy-to-use form inbox. Combined with our analytics suite, you'll also have the real-time visibility to know which marketing sources are making your phone ring. 10 local numbers, 1,000 form submissions, 10,000 transcription minutes, unlimited soft phone minutes, unlimited SMS text messages. Join the most successful businesses on the planet. CallRail is a service that tracks and manages your phone leads, helping businesses to determine which marketing campaigns are driving quality leads. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about CallRail and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.